Hi guys, thanks for coming along and watching my video. Join me today as we have paper punch meets die and come out with some really creative paper punched die cuts. Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to use a die cut excuse me, in a little different way. I'm going to do a regular die cut, yes, but look what I figured out. By accident, well, we're just sitting here staring at them. But what I discovered was, here's my regular, now I did notch that with my circle punch, but here's my regular die. And I have a regular one folded up here. And then I notched it. And it's cute. Don't get me wrong, it's really cute. Especially if you put a little something here. Right? Dress it up a little. But then I was like, well, why not give it a cute edge? And I'm going to show you now how I did that. So it was really relatively simple. So I got my little machine. I got my die. And I started running them through after I done the trimming. Now if you haven't used one of these before, it's pretty simple. You put the first cut anywhere you want. And then after that, you've got these little markers, right? So you line this last one up. Sorry about that. You line this last one up with the one that's just getting ready to go. Oh, sorry. There we go. That's just getting ready to go into the machine. And that's it. And then the same as it's just getting ready to go in, then clip. And that's how you get a pretty nice clean edge. So I hope you guys are all having a great week. Thank you for being a part of my channel. Pretty excited about that. I hope you saw the Book Lovers Journal giveaway. I'm excited about that, and I'm also hoping for like expert selections. Okay, so now I have this, right? And this is where this guy comes in. I'm going to lay this down and this guy down, and then we're going to get our little die here. Our little guy. In the first one I just kind of eyeballed it, but then I got smart and realized I could kind of push him up under like this. And it kind of just falls down into the slots here. And then I run them through. And it was honestly that easy. Now again, using your imagination, you could dress these up pretty much in any way you want, with some stamps, maybe some other different color die cuts on top, lace. You could use anything. And come out with the cutest. I'm ready to go. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Again, wasn't difficult. Just my suggestion is sit and look at what you have. Do your research. See if anybody else has done it. Watch how they do it and then add a twist to it. I just thought this was cool. Alright. There you go. So I got this, and like I said, I just got a handful of them, and I was going to cut a few more and call it a day. Now, like, I'm going to go through, I'm going to go through all my other die cut or dies and see if there's not something else in my arsenal of dies that I can use to do the same thing. And if you have your favorite die that and paper punch, that one over there, I see it. Let me know in the comments. Tell me, yeah, I used this and this, but I thought this was a clever way to use both a die and a paper punch together. And I have more of these. Like I said, I just need to pull them out and work on them. I think one's a geometric, which is okay, but not conducive. And then I have some other dies that have the edge that I could do. But for now, this has me just completely fascinated. So I'm off to do another few strips, and I'm going to get these out in the mail on Tuesday to their new home. And don't forget, Book Lovers Junk Journal giveaway coming up, and all you have to do is follow the instructions in the video, and I'll pop that down in the description box below. So with all that being said, guys, I sure do appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.